Hi, I'm Connor Davis. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker here in Tri-Cities, Washington. I'm here to introduce our open houses for the weekend. We hope to see you there.
Okay, so bottom line, you're gonna sing something.
Well, maybe. Hi, I'm gonna say it. Hi, my name's Connor Davis. What's after that?
I'm here too.
Oh yeah, I'm here to introduce, no. Hi, I'm Connor Davis. I'm here with, nope, I'm not here with, open houses. I hope to see you there.
Wait,
Yes.
because you're on behalf of you.
Yeah, I won't see everyone. I'm here to introduce some of our open houses this weekend. We hope to see you there.
Very good. You almost had it.
Yeah.